Hey guys, today talking about the sanitary napkin vending machine. Let's go.
The vending machine is utilized by young girls and women during their menstruation. Menstruation is said to be the vaginal bleeding out from uterus consists of blood and endometrial tissues. Women would be provided with easy access to sanitary napkins across their workplaces, schools, colleges and public places like bus stations, airports, hospitals, and shopping malls. It is developed with smart technology that results in hassle-free operation. The operation is simplified just by dropping the coin and can avail of the napkins. It does not require power consumption, except in automatic models.